Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the free student version of Autodesk products, specifically AutoCAD. So here I've gone to Autodesk's website, autodesk.com, and there's a couple of different ways that we can get there. One is I can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I can go down to Students and Educators and click on that link. The other thing I could do is type in students.autodesk.com up here in the search bar, and either one of those will take me to this page, which is their educational site. So what I'm after right here is free software. So I'm going to click free software. And there's a couple of different ways that I can go about finding what I'm after. AutoCAD is popular, so it comes up here in their list. I can also view all the other products by clicking this link right here, View All Products. So I'm going to click AutoCAD, and that will take me to a page that allows me to log in and then download. One of the important things with any Autodesk product is to review the system requirements. So I'm going to click on this link, and I need to select the version that I'm going to download. So in this case, I'm going to pick 2019. And as I scroll down, it'll tell me what operating system it works on, the kind of processor it recommends, and probably the most important thing is the memory. So here, 8 gigabytes for basic operations, but 16 gigabytes is recommended. Has some additional information there that I'd want to read through, but it's important to make sure that your computer has those specifications if you want it to run properly. So I'm going to go back to my free software. So the next step then is to either create an account if I don't already have one, or sign in if I've made an account. So the important thing to remember with the educational software is when you create your account to use your .edu school address. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Regardless if I already have an account or if I sign in, I'll end up at the same page. Okay, so I've successfully signed in. If I scroll down just a little bit, it'll allow me to pick the version that I wish to download. So I'm going to pick 2019. My operating system is Windows, and most likely I want a 64-bit version, which runs a little bit more smoothly. And English is my language. You notice after I select those three items, I will get a serial number, a product key, and the file size. So it's a fairly large file, and so it's going to take a few minutes to download. When I scroll down, I have a couple of download options. So it automatically defaults to install now, but if I click the drop down over on the side, I can install it now, I can just download it now, I can do the download through the browser. And if you're not quite sure which one to select, you can click on Help Me Decide and scroll through the different options. My recommendation is to download this to the computer that you're going to be using. So this is the computer that I'm going to be operating this software on, so I'm going to go ahead and click Install Now. When I do that, the license and service agreement will come up. I want to make sure to read through that and click Accept, and then click Install. Again, it's going to take a few minutes to download, and then it will go through the install process. Once it installs, I'll be good to go. So the first time I open it, I'll have an opportunity to register the product. And the way I do that is by using the product key that is emailed to me from autodesk.com. So it might be important to check your spam just to make sure that that email has come through. Once you do that, you're good to go.